job's a joke you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. Burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Happy birthday to Hui. Oh yeah, we'll be missing you from Taiwan, in Taiwan. Okay, anyway, I want to thank you for always being with me. Yeah, always being there for me, and I really want to thank God that you came to my life, Kota, even though we don't even know each other in JJ, but coming here, you'll be one of my best friends, and I do hope that God will continue to be with you, and please remember to invite us to your wedding. Okay, love you. Mwah.
Okay, Joanne's ready. Joanne. Okay, start. Carry on. Hey, what are you doing?
Hi, Zhui, surprise! Happy birthday to you. Didn't expect that we'll make this video for you, right? Okay, anyway, I want to say happy birthday, happy blessed 21st birthday. I hope you're having fun in OBS camp now, even though me and Fiona are away in Taiwan. But you are not forgotten, you are missed, and so have a blessed time with your family and friends. And yeah, thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming into my life. You have been a real big blessing to me. Yeah, and so how are you and that guy already? You know who I'm talking about, right? So you must tell me I'm your best friend, okay? Yeah, don't forget. And then yeah. So when you get a boyfriend, must tell us all, okay? Don't let us be the last to know. And yeah, and before I go, we must continue our Bible sessions, okay? Don't keep on saying me. And lastly, I will intro to you my handsome Norway friends when I go overseas. So yeah, take care, bye bye. Your turn.
Okay, hi, Zihui. Happy 21st birthday. So, okay, really glad to have known you, and hope that you'll enjoy your 21st birthday in OBS. It's really good to know you, and really glad to know that you have become a Christian. Yeah, and I don't know how has life been for you, and I'm sure you have heard from the few of us how God has been good. Yeah, but it's really up to you to make that God your God, and not just our God, not just our journey. It's really your journey with God. Yeah, so happy 21st.
Hi Zihui! Happy birthday! Greetings from America. Well, it's 5 a.m. and I'm still awake doing this video just for you. I know you must be so touched, you know. I spent so much effort, you know. Okay, basically because I just came late, I came back late, and yeah, doing this before I sleep. But yeah, this past year has been really tough for you, and yeah, give yourself a pat on the back because yeah, you made it, man, and you survived. So yeah, be happy about it, and yeah, I pray that your 21st will be a really enjoyable, memorable, and beautiful time of your life. Play hard, but don't play too hard, and yeah, you know, enjoy it. And yeah, I pray that you will get to know Christ a little bit more each day. And yeah, thanks for being such a good friend for to me. You know, always checking out whether if I've been doing well. Always checking if I'm lonely, or you know, like how a good friend would be. Oh yeah, or if you're just trying to check out if I have any gossips and anything. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I hope we'll continue to stay in touch. And yeah, take care of yourself over in Singapore. I'll see you when I see you. Take care. Bye bye. Happy birthday.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear.